Hello friends, welcome to the Power System Experts YouTube channel. Our today's lecture on GUI automation using Python. So for this, let's open PSSE. So after opening PSSE, you can open your case through CLI first if you are interested in through opening through CLI. So now case is open. So in order to automate your solutions, the first way comes under the input output control section here. You can see that the, the first button is start recording and next is stop recording and then your run program automation file. So here the best way to start your learning in through automation without learning Python language is a basically start recording your steps. So first start recording. So you can record your steps in different format. Like for example here, the first is that Python program files and next is the response file. So for example, if right now I'm interested in the response file IDIV and give any name, I say power flow summary like PF and then save it. So it means case has started recording your steps. The first step I'm doing here is that go to Power Flow solution and solve and then see here the first option is checked and next here first option is checked, here second option is checked, here first option is checked, here second option is checked and then solve. So when I have solved this case, just a one command in order to see that and stop your recording. So mean what I have done, I have performed power flow solution through a response and save my case, save my command in a response file. So that is available in PF summary. So here you can see that. So what have you done? So you have this is a batch file because that's a response file, not a Python, and you have checked fast decoupled neutral option solution. That is FDNS. And if you have not changed any option, so that is added as a 0, and if you have changed any other option, that is added as a 1, because in programming you start from the 0 rather than from the number 1. So the first number is 0, another is because the second option you have select, so that is 1. So this is a simple command to solve your case through batch file. So here this you can see that. So what I have done, I have saved my case, like I have saved my IDIV file. Now I'm interested to solve my case at that point. So simply run your this IDIV file. When I say this, case is solved. So it means that what you have done, you have record your step, and now for any type, for any working in your case, you are running the same IDIV file that is you have recorded. So another way to basically record your step is basically, and also in order to avoid any path time saving, so you can rerun your same file as well. So let's now discuss about the how to start recording your steps in Python language, because everyone interested to do automation through Python. So for that case, it might mean first script. If I say, so I have started recording my first script. So what I have done, so I am interested in first subsystem first. So I have created a subsystem for central area, like for example, and also if I'm not interested in, for example, in right now I'm interested in area, apply OK, and now so for the selected the subsystem. Now I want to solve my case under Power Flow solution, because I'm following the step one by one so that you can see the how script is working. Solve, and again see this is first option, it means 0, this is 1 and 2. So same, this is 1 and this is 0, this is 0 and this is 1, and then solve it. So when you solve, the summary will be available. And similarly, if I'm interested in LC of my case for out of limit bus voltages for my central area only, and apply OK and then click go. So it means there is only one bus that is violating the case, violating the limit on upper limit. So say close and stop your recording. So now you can see that, mean what I have done, I have performed the Power Flow solution and I also have performed the limit checking. So I have deleted my all reports. I have cleared my progress report. So right now I have selected all buses. Now I'm interested to see what PSSE have basically done in Python. So in added through any interpreter. So I'm added with idle. So here you can see that the PSSPY, that is Python batch command. So this is first mean, that is I have created the subsystem file. So that is central area, and then I have performed the power flow solution FNDS. Again I have selected the subsystem area, that is PSS for the central area. Then I have performed the vcheck option, that is PSSPY that vcheck. So next important thing is that I can copy this. I will show you why I have copied. Okay, then now right now here you can run your Python directly. So here you can see that the complete script has been implemented, and you get the result summary. So in order to save your time and also making life your easier by doing the things through Python, so here you can see that the results are you have received the result within a second. And next important thing we can check through Python, I have added this PSSPY that vcheck. So here you can see that nothing. So mean everything added, you have get the progress vcheck as well. So you can, under this output is completed, that is PSSPY vcheck. So it means that you have added this command as well. So this is how basically you run the different automation file, and you can record your steps. Even you can record the complete summary, like complete steps of your making a case. So it will save your time. So start learning your automation and making your life easier through Python and as well as IDEF. So if you have any question regarding automation of your any scripting, and you can let us know. Thanks.